Make a great choice today with the 2018 Nissan Titan. The Titan houses the Endurance V8 engine, the largest standard truck engine in its class. But the benefits don't stop there. The massive interior cabin boasts a fold-up rear bench seat and a flat-loading floor. When it comes to power and comfort, the Titan can't be beat. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, traction control, stability control, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, keyless start, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, power windows, MP3 player, CD player, power door locks. Come take a test drive today.